maniacs.
Today we will be trying Rice Krispies Bliss Caramel Sea Salt Pretzel.
It says new, so it probably is.
Okay. There's caramel flavored chocolate chips, candied sea salt pretzels, and toasted rice cereal.
Yum.
Yes. So, let's try them. Here they're so tiny. That's depressing. Okay. There you go. Oh, burnt bread.
It looks like cornbread.
It smells like burnt. Do you smell that?
I don't smell anything.
Here it is. Orange, neon orange chocolate chips.
Interesting.
Try 'em.
They look like you're about to chip a tooth there.
A little hard, but they're good. Wow, that's good. I recommend 100%.
Now, let me see what this is all about. Oh, this is a different looking Rice Krispie treat. And what is it? Caramel sea salt pretzels. Are those supposed to be pretzels on top?
Oh, they must be. They must be coated pretzels, I'm thinking.
Actually, if they're pretzels, like, you can't really tell because there's such a thick coating of, I guess, that caramel sea salt. I'm not sure. Very sweet. And those little things on top are hard. And then it looks like there's maybe some peanut butter chips or something, or caramel chips or something there.
Oh, yeah, that's what that
I'm not
is.
sure. But do I recommend? No, it's not good. Stay with your original Rice Krispies.
Alright, guys, I pre-opened mine because it'd be hard to do with only one hand. That is what it looks like. Seems to have a caramel coating underneath as well, I'm thinking. Like a salty caramel. For a second, I'm like, it doesn't look like Rice Krispies, but yeah, I guess it is. It does smell very strong of sea salt caramel. I'll try a piece that has, like, everything on it. It has a nice soft texture. Honestly, seeing everyone else eat it, I thought it was going to be kind of hard as a rock. But it is a nice texture. It's really sweet and quite salty, which I guess caramel sea salt. I don't know what I think. Honestly, I would never guess those coated pretzels for pretzels. But it's not my favorite thing, but at the same time, I would recommend it because it's everything it says it is. You taste the caramel, you taste the salt. It's definitely a sea salt caramel Rice Krispie. All those flavors are definitely there. I don't know, I guess I just prefer a regular Rice Krispie though. I don't think it needs extra sweetness or extra salt. But it is exactly what it says it is. So, yeah, if you like Rice Krispies and you like sea salt caramel, then I would recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and follow or subscribe. Bye!